I was out of those. Use caution for similar sounding calls to Cessna 838 on frequency. Cessna 83 Golf, it's straight in for runway 13 right.
Straight in, 13 right, 83 Golf.
And who else calling Boeing Tower?
Okay, so now we're on the downwind.
83 Mike X-ray Boeing Tower, hold position for traffic upwind 13 left.
Hey Ted, what's your thoughts eventually going down past the Space Needle and coming back?
I don't know that you're going to be able to get...
407 Southwest Bruce.
Over West Point, bound to land.
Up to you.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to be dodging clouds.
Okay.
Cut 3 Mike X-ray departure from Path 6 Beatrice risk, go west pad clear land, wind 070.
Might plan for a moment.
3016.
I guess so, yeah, there is a cloud up there.
Pad 6, Cessna, take off southeast departure with Victor. Left downwind for runway 13 left, Cessna.
13 right, clear to land, 83 Golf.
20, correction, Cessna 838. Traffic 2 mile final for 13 right, Cessna, runway 13 left. Clear for the option.
13 left, clear for the option number 2, 838.
Cessna 5083, use caution for a similar sounding call sign on frequency Cessna 6583 Golf.
838, we'll use caution.
Boeing Tower, helicopter 90680, pad 6, south takeoff, southeast departure with Victor.
I don't see that traffic.
680, Boeing Tower, departure from pad 6, Beatrice risk, southeast, proved in auto fly the aircraft holding on the taxiway. 680 has the aircraft. And anybody else calling Boeing Tower?
Yeah, Cessna 401 Papa is about
Did quarter-mile final, didn't he?
I thought he said we were clear. I thought it was in the other
Okay.
one, but you might want to check.
437 Charlie Hotel, Boeing Tower, ident traffic in your vicinity.
There's traffic.
7 Charlie Hotel, Mike Street and runway 13 right, or to Spokane Street. I may have to move you, traffic. Winds will be inbound from 13 right, a Learjet.
Our slowest now.
7 Charlie Hotel, Mike Street and runway 13. Well, for now, Mike Street and runway 13 right. Calling on 118.3, Boeing Tower, second.
He's on 13 right.
Cessna 401 Papa, probably about 7 miles northwest, inbound for stop and go.
I got us high here, so I'll get us down low.
Number 401 Papa Boeing Tower, ident